So, welcome students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Vijanur's Mindful Moments. So, this video especially I have prepared for the students of class 11 arts. So, in this video, I am going to discuss about some multiple choice questions and answers, that is physical basis of mental life. Okay. So, these question answers will be very much helpful for you for the final examinations, annual examinations. Okay, so let's discuss. So first you come to the smallest unit of life. What is the smallest unit of life? The smallest unit of life is cells. The answer is cells. Okay, then name the fluid that the cell contains. Name the fluid that cell contains. You know that every cell, it contains some fluids. So what is the name of that fluid? The name is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Okay. Next, the bricks of a building can be compared with which of the following? That means below you will have four options A, B, C, D like this. So which will be the correct answer you are to tick? So here, like the bricks, so in human body, which is compared with the bricks of a building? Again, the answer is cells. Okay. Name the structural unit of a nervous system. Name the structural unit of a nervous system. The answer is neurons. Okay. Neurons are the structural unit of nervous system. Okay, come to the next one. Which of the following will not come under the structure of neuron? So this type of question will come in MCQ types where four options will be there. So under this, you will have three incorrect options and one correct options will be there. Okay. So as we know, some important parts or a structure of the neuron, that is soma, what we call the cell body, then dendrites, then action, as well as end branches. Is not it? So four options will be there. One will be the incorrect options. So you have to choose that one. Okay, for that purpose, first of all, you have to know the main parts of a neuron, the name of the main parts, like dendrites, cell body, nucleus, action, or you can say end branches. So whenever you will know all the vertical parts of a neuron, automatically you will be able to find out the incorrect options. Okay. Okay, come to the next one. Which of the type of the following is also known as associated neuron? So you will be asked like this. Four options will be there below. So one will be the incorrect options. Okay, or one will be the correct options and three others will be the incorrect options like this. So here, first of all, you have to know the three types of neurons. So three types of neurons are, as you know, sensory neuron, then motor neurons, then as well as interneurons, what you call the associated neurons. So here it is asked which of the following type of the neuron is also known as associated neurons. So you have to write the answer, that will say interneuron. Okay, interneurons are also known as associated neurons. Okay, come to the next one. Name the tiny fibers extending out from the cell body. So from the cell body, as we know, some long tiny fibers, thread-like structure extending out from the vertical cell body. So what is the name of those fibers? So the answer is dendrites. Dendrites are the long tiny fibers extending out from the cell body. So the answer is dendrites. Okay. Next you come, which of the following group of neurons carry the information and messages from the sense organs to the central nervous system? Okay. Sense organ and central nervous system. So which group of neurons carry the messages or signals or informations from the sense organs to the central nervous system, that is spinal cord or brain, is not it? So as we know, the answer will be sensory neurons. Sensory neurons are the group of neurons that carry messages or informations or signals from the sense organs to the brain. Okay, clear? Okay, likewise another question may be there. Which of the following group of neurons carry the messages from the brain and spinal cord to the muscles and glands? So this is the opposite one of the previous one. Here, from the brain, from the spinal cord to the muscles and glands. So which group of neurons carry the information or messages? So that is the answer is motor neurons. Okay, the answer is motor neurons. Okay, come to the next one. Name the meeting point between end branches of action and dendrites of cell body of another neuron. So as we know, millions of neurons are there within the nervous system, as we know. So neurons are three types: sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons. So these are connected. Interneurons are the connected neurons or associated neurons, is not it? So everywhere two neurons are connected. So the meeting point of dendrites of one neuron and the end branches of another neuron, the meeting point is known as synapse. synapse, synapse. So synapse is the meeting point of dendrites and end branches of another neuron. Okay, come to the next one. Under somatic system of nervous system, following which types of nerves come? So somatic system of nervous system, which types of nerves will come? As we know, in peripheral nervous system, there are three types of nervous system: peripheral nervous system, then autonomic nervous system, and central nervous system. So under peripheral nervous system, here two systems are there. One is somatic system, another one is autonomic system or automatic system. So here it is said that under somatic system of peripheral nerves, which group of nerves will come, or which types of nerves will come, or which system will come. So that is the, under this system, sensory and motor group of nerves will come. That means somatic groups, under somatic groups, sensory and motor nerves will come. Okay, and under autonomic or automatic group, automatic system, only motor nerves will be there. So you must be clear about this, that peripheral nerves are divided into two groups. One is somatic system, another one is automatic system. And under somatic system, sensory and motor group of nerves will come, and under automatic system, only motor nerves will come. Okay, if you know this, then you will be able to answer. Okay, come to the next one. Sympathetic and parasympathetic groups of nerves comes under which of the types of the following? So as we know, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomic nervous system. So sympathetic as well as parasympathetic groups of nerves will come under which types of nervous system? So definitely the answer will be the autonomic nervous system. We know in autonomic nervous system, especially two systems are working in close cooperation to each other, that is sympathetic group of nerves as well as parasympathetic group of nerves. Okay, so the answer is autonomic nervous system. Okay, come to the next one. During stress situation, which of the following system becomes active? Whenever we are in stress situation, or you can say during emergency situation, so which types of nerves or which system of the nervous system becomes so active? So four options may be there. The correct options will be, the answer is sympathetic system. Okay, sympathetic system. Sympathetic systems becomes active whenever we are emotional as well as whenever actually we are in stress situation, or you can say during emergency, at the site of fire, during earthquake, during tsunami, okay, at the site of snake, this type of situation, during stress situation, you can say the sympathetic system becomes active. Okay, that is a sympathetic system. Next, several body changes are occurred, or you can say several body changes are marked, like increase in heart rate, sweating, increase in blood pressure, etc. due to following which of the hormone? So some bodily changes are seen sometimes, like this increase in blood pressure, then eyes becomes large as well as red, the sweating takes place. So many bodily changes takes place at the presence of which hormone? So the answer is adrenaline hormone. Adrenaline hormone. Because whenever any emergency occurs or during any stress condition, our spinal cord directs the adrenal gland to secrete hormone, what you call adrenaline hormone. Or in presence of adrenaline hormone, some bodily changes are seen within the human body. Okay, the answer is adrenaline hormone. Okay, come to the next one. When we are calm and relaxed, okay, so following which of the system of autonomic nervous system becomes active? So whenever we are very in a relaxed condition, or you can say any that type of emergency or stress situation is over, suppose we are calm and quiet, relaxed, in this condition which system of nervous system becomes active? That is the parasympathetic system. Okay, the answer is parasympathetic system. Next, the rough cylindrical structure or rope-like structure made up of long round nerves found within the backbone comes under flowing which type of nervous system? Okay, so the answer is spinal cord. So spinal cord comes under which type of nervous system? That is the central nervous system. Clear? So here you have to write the answer central nervous system. So as we know, spinal cords are found within the backbone, is not it? These are round cylindrical structure, rope-like structure found within the case of the backbone, that is spinal cord. But you are asked that comes under what type of or which type of nervous system? So that spinal cord comes under the central nervous system. So central nervous system basically brain and spinal cord. So here the answer is spinal cord, but here answer is not given spinal cord. It is given that central nervous system. So you have to write the answer, that is central nervous system. Okay. Okay, come to the next one. Reflex actions are performed by, fill in the blanks may be there. reflex actions are performed by, then line is there, that is blank is there, you have to fill up the blank. So that is reflex actions are performed by. So which actually central nervous system performed the reflex actions? Can you tell me? That is the spinal cord. Spinal cord performs the reflex actions. It's the primary function of spinal cord. Okay. Next, inside the spinal cord, what type of matters are found? Inside the spinal cord, what type of matters are found? So, inside the spinal cord, actually the answer is gray matters. And outside the spinal cord, what type of matter is found? That is the white matter. Okay. So, you should know also this, that outside the spinal cord, white matters are found, and inside the spinal cord, gray matters are found. Okay, so here the answer is inside the spinal cord, what type of matters are found? You have to write that is gray matters. If question is asked outside the spinal cord, what type of matter is found? You have to write white matters, which contains action, all this. Okay, so come to the next one. Which part of the human brain is responsible for intellectual works? Which part of the human brain is responsible for intellectual works? So answer is cerebrum. Cerebrum, this is the largest part of the human brain. Okay, just under skull it is found. It is also, you can say, the forebrain. Okay, so cerebral cortex are there. Cerebral cortex are found in cerebrum, and these are the indicator of intelligence. So this part is responsible for any types of intellectual works like memory, learning, reasoning, imagination, okay, thinking, all this. So the answer is cerebrum. Okay, so come to the next one. Which part of the human brain is responsible for breathing, blood circulation, digestion, etc.? Which part of the human brain is responsible for respiration, that is breathing, digestion, blood circulation, etc.? So that is which part? That is the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. Okay, come to the next one. Which part of the human brain controls the body balance or body equilibrium or bodily posture? Okay, the balance of the body, posture of the body, or you can say body equilibrium. So which part of the human brain controls? The answer is cerebellum. Okay, the hindbrain, what you call cerebellum. Next, following which of the ductless gland is known as master gland? Master gland. So the answer is pituitary gland. Here four options will be there, A, B, C, D. So one will be the correct option. The correct option will be the pituitary gland, and pituitary gland is situated at the base of the brain. Okay, and this pituitary gland is also known as the master gland of the human body. Master gland, it is the important ductless glands, and these ductless glands controls the functions of all other glands. Okay, come to the next one. Name the hormone that thyroid gland secretes. So do you know thyroid gland is situated where? It is situated, it is situated in the windpipe, that means in the neck, and it secretes a peculiar type of hormone. What you call? The answer is thyroxine. What is thyroxine? Thyroxine, it's a hormone, and thyroid gland secretes this hormone. Okay, so okay, come to the next one. Name the hormone that parathyroid gland secretes. Parathyroid gland secretes which hormone? The answer is parathormone. Okay, okay, come to the next one. Name the hormone that male sex gland what you call testis secretes. So male sex gland, as we know, it is known as testis, and testis secretes a separate type of hormone. What is the name of that hormone? It is asked. The answer is androgens. 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 Okay. Next, other question. Name the hormone which is responsible for change of voice, comma, the growth of bird, as well as mood states, etc. Okay, these are the some of the, you can say, signs of a male person, like mood states, words, change of voice is not it. So which hormone is responsible for development of all these characteristics? That is, the answer will be that androgens. Again, that is whatever testis secretes. The answer is androgens. Next one, name the hormone that female sex gland, what we call ovaries, secretes. Ovaries, it's a female sex gland and it secretes a separate type of hormone. What is the name of that hormone? The answer is estrogens. 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 Okay. Okay, come to the next one. Name the hormone which maintain the balanced level of sugar in our body. Balanced level of sugar in our body. Okay. Which hormone that maintains, that controls, or it controls the what you call sugar level in our blood? So the answer is insulin as well as glucagon. Insulin and glucagon. Clear? Okay, come to the next one. Goiter. Goitre. Within inverted comma, goiter. So goiter, it's a disease. Okay. Goiter, it's a disease. So goiter is developed in human body due to the imbalance of which hormone? So it's a disease, goiter. It develops within the human body, especially in the neck. So it develops. So due to the imbalance of which type of hormone? Answer is thyroxine hormone. Okay. That is the thyroxine hormone. Okay, come to the next one. Name the hormone that maintains the level of calcium and phosphate in the blood of human body. So which hormone that maintains, okay, the level of calcium and phosphate in human blood? That is parathormone. The name of the hormone, answer is parathormone. Parathormone. Next, which of the following gland does not come under duct gland? Okay, this type of question may come. So for that purpose, before going to the answer, first you should know what are the important duct gland in human body. So the important duct glands are sweat gland, salivary gland, tear gland, liver, kidney, what you call the eliminating gland. Okay, these are the important duct gland within the human body. So here, out of 4 options, 3 options will be correct, that is the duct gland, and 1 options will be the that type of which will not come under the duct gland. So you have to write that one, because question is asked which of the following gland does not come under the duct gland. So for that purpose, you must know about the important duct gland of the human body, then only you can answer. Next, which of the following type of muscles are thin and long type of muscles? So 4 options will be there. So as we know, there are 3 types of muscles found within the human body, is not it? 3 types of muscles. One is striped muscles, then unstriped muscles, then cardiac muscles. So striped muscles are long as well as thin type of muscles made of fibers. Okay, these are arranged in human body like stripes. That's why these are so named striped muscles. These are long and thin type of muscles. So here the answer is striped muscles. Next, which of the following types of muscles are flat and spindle shaped? Flat and spindle shaped. So out of three types of muscles, striped muscles and long and thin, then unstriped muscles are flat shaped as well as spindle shaped. Okay, so the answer is unstriped muscles. So you must be clear. Striped muscles are long and thin type of muscles. These are arranged like stripes in the human body. Unstriped muscles are flat muscles like spindle shaped. Okay, and cardiac muscles are the heart muscles which are found in the human heart. And you can say the main characteristics of cardiac muscles, it relax as well as contracts continuously, okay, till the life of the human being, till the end of the life of the human being. Okay, then come to the next one. Which of the following type of muscles are found in the heart? That is the cardiac muscles. Next, which of the following is not an elementary test? Elementary test. So first of all, you must know the four elementary tests. The four elementary tests are sweet test, sour test, bitter test, and salty test. It's not it. So these are the four elementary tests. If you know these four elementary tests, then automatically you can find which is not come under the elementary test. Is not it? Okay, come to the next one. Which part of human tongue produces bitter taste? So this type of question will come. As we know, the entire tongue of the human being never provide us all types of tastes. Okay, so some of the parts are responsible for different types of tastes. So which part provides us what type of taste, that you are to know first. Then you can answer all the questions. So as we know, bitter taste. Which part of the human tongue provides us bitter taste? So that is the rear end part of the human tongue. Rear end. Sour taste. Sour taste is produced by the middle part of the tongue. Okay, sour taste is produced by the middle part of the human tongue. And bitter, that is the rear end of the tongue. And salty taste. Salty taste provides by the tip and sides of the tongue. Tip and sides of the tongue provides us salty taste. Okay, and sweet taste, that is the tip of the tongue. Tip of the tongue provides us sweet taste. Tip and sides of the tongue provides us salty taste. Middle part of the tongue provides us sour taste, and rear end of the tongue provides us bitter taste. Clear? Okay. Next, the sense organ tongue produces what type of sensation? So this type of question also will come. So for that purpose, first of all, you are to go through the 5 sense organs as well as the name of the sensation produced by these 5 sense organs. So the sense organ tongue produces what type of sensation? That is, the answer is gustatory sensation. And sense organ eye produces visual sensation. And sense organ ear produces auditory sensation. Sense organ nose produces olfactory sensation. And sense organ skin produces cutaneous, cutaneous, cutaneous sensation. So these are the 5 types of sensation produced by our 5 sense organs. So if we know each of the sensation, name of the sensation, then we can answer any questions from these 5 sense organs. Okay, go through this. Next, which layer of the skin produces sensation? Which layer of the skin produces sensation? So as we know, there are 3 layers of the skin, is not it? 3 layers of the skin. Upper layer, what we call the epidermis, then middle layer, what we call the dermis layer, and inner layer, what we call the cutaneous fat. So out of these 3 layers, which layer is responsible for sensation? That is the middle layer. The answer is dermis. Dermis layer is known as the middle layer. The name of the middle layer is dermis. Dermis. Okay. Next, name the sensitive curtain of the human eye. Name the sensitive curtain of the human eye. So that is answer is retina. Is not it? The retina. Okay. Next, name the psychologists. Name the psychologist who put importance on sense training of the children. Name the psychologist who put emphasis on sense training of the children. The answer is Montessori. The answer is Montessori. 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 Okay. Next, which of the following stays is just awareness of the stimulus? Which of the following stays is just awareness of the stimulus? So here 4 options may be there, like the sensation, conception, perception, all this. So the first stage, what you call the sensation. So sensation stage is just awareness of the stimulus or object. Is not it? Answer is sensation. Next, when a person suffers from high fever, starts delirium, is an example of what? So A, B, C, D options will be there. The answer is hallucination. 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 Because hallucination, it is a kind of false perception. It's a kind of what you call, that is hallucination. So it actually takes place whenever our cerebral functions becomes abnormal. So during hallucination, our cerebral functions remain abnormal. So in absence of stimulus also, hallucination may takes place. That is the what false perception may takes place. So when a person suffers from high fever, or you can say starts a delirium, in the same time when someone may feel that someone is standing behind someone, but actually there is no one is present, then also it is hallucination. In the same time, whenever a person is overdrunk, then starts talking to someone, but actually no one is present. So all this situation, this is actually, you can say, hallucination. So in absence of stimulus also, hallucination may takes place. Okay, so it's a kind of false perception. Clear? Come to the next one. When a person is overdrunk, talks with a person where there is none, it is an example of, the answer is hallucination. A rope lying on the floor may be mistaken as snake in twilight. It is an example of, answer is illusion. ILLUSION, illusion. A rope lying on the floor in twilight, or you can say in dim light, we may be mistaken as a snake. So in presence of stimulus, it may take place. Why? Due to the misidentity of the object or stimulus, due to the misinterpretation of the object or stimulus. So this is also a kind of false perception, what we call illusion. Okay. Next, false perception is caused as a result of misidentity of the object or stimulus is known as, answer is illusion. Okay. False perception is caused in absence of stimulus is known as, the answer is hallucination. In absence of stimulus, hallucination. And in presence of stimulus, that is illusion. Only the misidentity or misinterpretation may be there. That is illusion. But in hallucination, there is no stimulus. There is no object is present actually. So, next, senses are the gateways of knowledge. Who said this? Senses are the gateways of knowledge. Who said this? The answer is Montessori. Okay. Next, light rays pass through to finally reach the retina. Light rays emanating or reflecting from any object of the external world, okay, finally reach the retina. Okay, it passed through the, what are the vertical parts of the eye. So answer may be here. Four options are there: cornea, then pupil, then lens, then all of the above. Okay, what will be the answer? Yes, the answer is all the above. Because whenever light reflects from any object, it falls on human eye. So it passes through cornea, lens, pupil, then it strikes the retina inside the eye. At retina, it's a sensitive curtain. Whenever retina is stimulated, that impulse is caught by the vertical visual nerves available in the eye and carry the message to the brain. And from the brain, results come. As a result, we can see. Okay. Next, human being possess how many sense organs? So here four options may be there. One option may be number 4, one option may be 7, one option may be 8, one option may be 5. So as we know, we have 5 sense organs. Okay, so the correct answer will be 5. Human being possess sense organs. That means it is asked here number of sense organs. The correct number you are to write, you are to choose. The correct number is 5 sense organs. What are those 5 sense organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. And out of these 5 sense organs, which is the giant sense organ? Largest one, that is the skin, because skin covers the entire body. So it is the largest as well as giant sense organ. So okay students, this much for today. In this video, it is sufficient. The entire things I have covered here. Any probable MCQ or objective type of questions from this chapter, that is physical basis of mental life, I have covered here. So you see the video, watch the video again and again. If possible, you can write, you can prepare a note copy also and go through this, learn it. I think you will be able to answer each and every questions in the final examination. Okay, but don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, have any comment you want to leave, you can also comment on this video. Okay, so thank you for today. Okay, good night.